حقيقة ركلتان حقيقة ركلتان
Bring me sunshine in your smile. Bring me laughter all the while. In this world where we live, there should be more happiness. So much joy you can give to each brand new bright tomorrow. Make me happy through the years. Never bring me any tears. Let your arms be as warm as the sun from up above. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love. Bring me sunshine in your smile. Bring me laughter all the while. In this world where we live, there should be more happiness. So much joy you can give to each brand new bright tomorrow. Make me happy through the years. Never bring me any tears. Let your arms be as warm as the sun from up above. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love, sweet love. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love. Hey!
A different start to the show there this week here on Radio Camp. We had Morecambe and Wise with Bring Me Sunshine, bringing us into week 20 of Radio Camp. There is no features this week, no Dawn.
No.
Because this is a end of term special, as we are going to be playing music from different eras, and we'll be sharing memories as well on what we've been doing over the past couple of weeks here on Radio Archive.
Have the classic from 1984, now from Winston with My Hometown. We hope you enjoy it.
I was 8 years old and running with a dime in my hand to the bus stop to pick up a paper from my old man. Sit on his lap in that big old Buick, steer as we drove through town. Tassel my hair, say something. Good look around. This is your hometown. This is your hometown. This is your hometown. This is your hometown. In 65, tension was running high at my a lot of fights between the black and white. There was nothing you could do. Two cars at a light on a Saturday night. In the backseat there was a gun. Words are passed, a shotgun blast. Troubled times had come to my hometown. My hometown. Our main streets, whitewashed windows and vacant stores. Seems like there ain't nobody wants to come down here no more. they're closing down the textile mill across the railroad tracks. Foreman says these jobs are going, boys, and they ain't coming back to your hometown, to your hometown, to your hometown, to your hometown. Last night me and Kay, we laid in bed talking about getting out, packing up our bags, maybe heading south. 35, we got a boy of our own now. Last night I sat him up behind the wheel, said, son, take a good look around. This is your hometown.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart, then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get her. The minute you let her under your skin, then you begin to make it better. And anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulder. For well you know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little colder. Na 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 na. Hey Jude, don't let me down. You have found her, now go and get her. Remember to let her into your heart, then you can start to make it better. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, begin. You're waiting for someone to perform with. And don't you know that it's just you? Hey Jude, you do the movement you need
is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring. Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. The taste of love is sweet when hearts like ours meet. I fell for you like a child. Oh, but the fire went wild. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire. And it burns, 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 the ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire.
We hope you enjoyed the 3 songs there from Flint Disney with My Hometown, Hate You by The Beatles, and Ring on Fire by Johnny Cash.
So this week here on Radio Caribe, we're just playing all your favourite music that we played over the past couple of weeks. And our next song here now is Amor Here and David V1. Hope you enjoy this.
Does neb yn un nabod o. Mae milach chant o flynyddoedd a'n amser hi hir i'r po. Ond aeth Magnus Maximus o Gymru yn y flwyddyn 303 a'n gadair yn genedl gofal a heddiw
Good morning.
Kate Bellamy has 2-1 Wales. I'm not all here, you sons of speed.
The first one was Amar Hyd gan Dafydd Iwan and Gwalia gan Gwilym. Right, so coming up next now here on Radio Caib, it's an 80s classic and you have to guess which song it is.
Red, red wine goes to my head.
Just heard there Red Red Wine by UB40 here on Radio Cab, and that was a song that you guys had to guess, and we hope you got it correct. And that was Sit Down by James, who you just heard there now. Coming up next here on Radio Cab is I Want to Break Free by Queen, and then we'll have Take On Me by Aha.
I want to break free. But life still goes on. I can't get used to living without you by my side. I don't want to live alone. Hey, God knows, got to make it on my own. So baby, can't you see? I've got to break free. I've got to break free. at it. Why, it's greased lightning. Greased lightning.
We'll get some overhead lifters and 4-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, won't keep talking.
Fuel injection cut up in chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, I'll get the money.
With the 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door.
You know that ain't no shit, we'll be getting lots of tin.
Grease lightning. Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coursing through the hip lap trials. You are supreme, your chicks are cream. For grease lightning, we'll get some purple French tail, that's 30-inch things, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard and doom of the twins, oh yeah. With new pistons, plugs and shocks, I can get all my rocks. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real pussy wagon. Grease lightning, go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile.
Grease lightning, go grease lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're coursing through the hip lap child.
Grease lightning, go grease lightning.
You are supreme, the chicks are cream. For grease lightning.
Lighting by John Gerardo. Now we got Bad Burning by Midnight Oil.
We hope you enjoy this one.
Out where the river broke, the bloodwood and the desert oak, holding wrecks and boiling diesels, steaming 45 degrees. The time has come to save fast fare, to pay the rent, to pay our share. The time has come, a fact's a fact, it belongs to them. Let's give it back. from Kentar East to yonder move. The western desert lives and breathes in 45 degrees. The time has come to say fair's fair, to pay the rent, to pay our share. The time has come, a fact's a fact, it belongs to them, let's give it back. How can we dance when our earth is turning? How do we sleep while our beds are burning? How can we dance when our earth is turning? How do we sleep while our beds are burning? The time has come to say fair's fair, to pay the rent now, to pay our share. The time has come, a fact's a fact, it belongs to them, we're gonna give it back. How can we dance when our earth is turning? How do we sleep while our beds are burning?
Okay, so you just heard that Beds Are Burning by Midnight Oil here on Radio Kybe, and this is our final show for this term, week 20. So we hope you join us for week 21 after half term. So we are going to go through what we've all enjoyed about Radio Kybe today. So Dylan, what did you enjoy?
Sport news.
Sports news, that's a good one. What did you enjoy, Osha?
I've enjoyed doing the birthdays.
Yes, that's a good one, isn't it? And
Yeah.
I've enjoyed interviewing different people each week. Which interview did you enjoy, Oshan?
I think it's gonna be Owen Sears.
Who did you enjoy interviewing, Dawn?
Kiko's.
Kiko's, that's a good interview, isn't it?
Thinking about your food again, Don?
Okay, Ethan, what did you enjoy about Radio Kybe this term?
Doing my own travel feature, but now I think I should retire from it because it's just too much to handle.
Yeah, I've heard you're going to be doing a new feature called Great American Railway Journeys.
Railroad.
Can you tell us more about it, please?
Well, it used to be a theme on the travel feature, but now it's a separate feature. So for the first 2 weeks, I would delve into why PSR sucks and why modern-day American passenger trains sucks. And maybe I'll continue with the journeys.
Thank you, Ethan. Now let's hear from Max to see what he enjoyed about Radio Kybe this term. Okay, Max, what did you enjoy about Radio Kybe this term?
Sport with Peter.
Oh, good one. What type of sports news did you enjoy, Max?
Football.
Football, that's a good one there. Isn't it, Dylan?
Yeah.
Isn't it awesome?
That is.
Peter, what did you enjoy about Radio Kybe this term?
I did try the stuff new on time videos, but it's really fun.
Thank you, Peter. I've enjoyed interviewing everyone here on Radio Kybe, and I'd like to thank you all for listening over the past couple of weeks. And we hope you enjoy all our shows. And we are going to close off this week with Jailhouse Rock by Elvis Presley. So we thank you all for tuning in this week, and we'll see you all after half term. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Walking through a party in the county jail. The prison band was there, they began to wail. The band was jumping and the joint began to swing. You should have heard
is knocked out, jailbird sing, let it rock. Everybody let it rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Spider Murphy played his tenor saxophone. Little Joe was blowing on the slide trombone. The drummer boy from Illinois would crash, boom, bang. The whole rhythm section was a purple gang. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Number 47 said to number 3, you're the cutest jailbird I ever did see. I sure would be delighted with your company. Come on and do the jailhouse rock with me. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Rock, rock, rock. Sad sack was sitting on a block of stone, way over in the corner weeping all alone. The warden said, hey buddy, don't you be no square. If you can't find a partner, use a wooden chair. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. Shifty Henry said the books for heaven's sake. No one's looking out a chance to make a break. Bugsy turned to Shifty and he said, Nix, Nix, I wanna stick around, I wanna get my kicks. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block was dancing to the jailhouse rock. 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 Dancing to the jailhouse rock.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Cab, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Café Canto, Radio Cab. Café Canto, Radio Cab.
You're listening to Radio Cab.